In the heart of Manchester city centre, there are countless references to its rich industrial heritage. One standout is the Eyres 78 manhole cover. Built from iron at the old J&S Eyres foundry, it weighs in an impressive 254 kilograms. Its distinctive diamond pattern renders it not only unique, but also to me a symbol of the city's identity. I always have offcuts from other projects, and making coasters is a great way to use them. First, I split the wood in half and flatten it, creating a piece about a centimetre thick, which is enough for 2 coasters. Next, a CNC machine cuts in the diamonds, text and various other bits which make up the manhole cover's design. The bit I was using wasn't long enough to cut all the way through, so I cut them out on the bandsaw and used a sander to clean up the edges. There's quite a bit of clean up, first with a plastic brush, and then with 240 grit sandpaper to smooth out the burrs. To create a nice flat water resistant surface for a mug, I filled the features cut out by the CNC with epoxy. After mixing, degassing and pouring it, I used a blowtorch to pop the bubbles as they floated to the surface. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to see more. Your support really helps me grow the channel. After the resin solidified, I put the coasters back on the CNC to mill off the top, exposing the wood. This process leaves lines from the surfacing bit, which I remove with sandpaper on a block to keep everything nice and flat. I then moved up through the grits on an orbital sander and applied a polishing compound to achieve a glass-like finish. I used way too much here, but it still turned out okay. And then finally, 3 coats of Danish oil completed them.